They don't want to watch. They want this game to get over.
Karnataka
Tense
Bulldozers
moments
do
here.
it, they are going to be the champions.
All of us have gone through
If they
this.
don't,
It's such
the
a tight
Chennai
game.
Rhinos are going to repeat history once again at this very place.
It all depends on
Saturday Cricket
this over
League.
in the end.
What a
Both these players have not
this
been
is.
able to
10
time
runs
their
needed,
shots in the last
6
2-3
balls to go.
overs. So that's a big plus for the Rhinos. It is Arya who will bowl the last over. I beg your pardon, I think it is Vikranth who will finish off this innings for the Rhinos. He batted so well, 95 for Vikranth, remain unbeaten. Has bowled quite well. Has only given away 8 per over so far.
Well, I like the confidence. He's taken the ball in his hand, bowled the last over. He knows how important these 6 balls will be. Without a doubt, one team will be celebrating after this over. That's for sure. And he's bowled in! He is cool under pressure. Vikranth, he batted so well. No emotion, still shown by tremendous bowling under pressure. He's delivered.
Great time to get a wicket. You miss, I hit, that's what happened. Straight delivery. Just castled the wickets off for Dhruv, who batted quite well.
His team needed the most. Brilliant performance. 10 runs required, 5 balls to go. New batsman coming in from Karnataka Bulldozers is the captain of the Karnataka Bulldozers, Sudeep.
So Sudeep,
Will the captain pull off a brilliant victory for his team or not? Let's
he
hear
did
the
the job
thoughts.
for his side
Last
as a
5
captain,
balls
as a
coming
leader.
up.
He's led his side quite well. His work behind the stumps has been good. With the willow, he hasn't performed up to his credentials. But today can be the day for him. 10 from 5 deliveries. First delivery from Vikranth, got the wicket of Dhruv. This is how he got his wicket. Straight delivery, went for the big shot on the onside, misses it completely. They are delighted, the cheer girls. They are from the Rhinos.
5 balls to go.
Best thing about Vikranth is he's handled the pressure really well, isn't it, Saba? He batted so well for them. He put them a great position to win this game. Posted 161, remained not out on 95. And he has taken the ball in his hand in the last over. That's confidence for you. Still a bit of an argument and confusion going on.
Now what is the problem now? What is this discussion going on? It just goes on and on. The over it has been extremely slow.
Be born. 10
10 needed to win from 5 deliveries. Excruciatingly slow on the field over it.
Be born. जीतेगा मैं जीतेगा
152 for 4.
Be born. जीतेगा मैं जीतेगा
There's no choice for him. Sudeep, he will have to go right from the word go.
Better off giving the strike to Karthik. He goes here big. Oh my God! He's hit a boundary. What a time to hit this shot for his side. The captain of the Chennai Rhinos. Their supporters. What a throw, a nasty one. It came into him. He just lent his weight behind it. Look at the timing. And the placement was superb. Well done, captain.
Expressions, they show it all. Tremendous hit. Where is this game going, Saba? 6 needed of 4 balls. He connects it again, but this time it's the fielder. They're running for two and then get it easily. That's great batting. 4 more needed of 3
What a
balls.
turnaround! 2 balls!
This is drama, this is cricket, this is T20 and this is the Celebrity Cricket League Season 2. 4 needed from 3 balls. The first one went the Rhinos' way, but after that Sudeep came in and hit that boundary. Another one coming up now, the 4th delivery. He goes big, he connects. There is a chance of the catch. No, he cannot make it. One more for the second one. Oh my God. 2 more added to the score. So now 2 needed from 2 deliveries. It is Sudeep the man. Can he do it? They have wickets in hand. 2 deliveries still to go in this innings.
A cool customer under pressure. Look at the expressions on his face. Well, terrific pressure. And he has come out and hit a boundary. Next ball for 2 runs, another 2 runs. He's put his side in a very good position. They just need 2 more runs to win of 2 deliveries.
Last 2 balls of the match tonight. Last 2 balls of the finals. Last 2 balls of CCL
This
2.
game is an absolute cliffhanger.
What a thriller. It's been a testimony of what CCL is all about. Too good. Now 2 needed from 2 balls. High on emotions, high on drama, high on excitement. Oh, he misses this time. Oh my God, he's been out because the runner had to run. Oh, we see another turnaround in this game. Sudeep who misses is Pradeep the runner. Taking that run, but he's been run out. So now 2 needed from the last delivery, 165.
But drama unfolding in front of us. Unbelievable scenes. It's Sudeep who has to go. That's the problem when you have a runner in place.
It's all happening
Miscommunication
tonight.
between the runner and the non-striker.
1 ball to go.
And the keeper does the rest.
Will be Chennai Rhinos once
And
again.
he can't
Or
believe
will it be
what
Karnataka Bulldozers
his
this
players
time?
has done, but he has to go. He's played his part for 8. It's 160 for 5. 2 more needed of 1 ball.
What a comeback this has been by Karnataka Bulldozers. And now, at this stage, they need 2 runs to win. 1 ball in hand. What will happen tonight? Who will win? 1 ball away. Let us wait and watch.
Oh, what drama here. Rahul comes out to bat now. 165,
Last ball
2 needed of the last
for the
delivery. Where will he go? What will happen?
Get ready.
Do we see a tight game? Do we see a super over? It's tense moments all around. It cannot get better than this. 2 needed of the last delivery. Vikranth is the bowler. Rahul on strike. Karthik hasn't had a strike in this over. The dugouts, the supporters, they're on tenterhooks. Pray. Divine intervention required. You can pray whatever you feel like. In the end, it depends on this man, Rahul.
Anything can happen tonight.
And the
Last ball to
person who's got the
go.
ball in his hand, Vikranth, and also the fielders.
Wow, the last ball coming up. Oh, he's clipped it. And he's given it out. He's bunkered it. Well, it's not completely over because the ball hasn't been bowled. Well, the non-striker, he started to run before the ball was delivered, and
Well, this
he
is
has not
certainly not
completed his
like a
action,
movie.
and that's fine as far as I'm concerned. He's monkered at him. There was still
Only
arguments
20
and
cookies present
things
certainly
chatting
cricket
going
league.
on.
The finals, one ball away
So
to
what
get
does the rule
concluded.
suggest? The umpire
We're
is well
waiting
within
for
his
the
rights
decision out here.
to give that decision of run
Hold
out.
your breath. Get seated wherever
one
you
ball,
are.
I believe, still
We are
remains.
on for a thriller. Can we have some noise, Hyderabad?
So we'll have a look at this. He had not completed his action. Now that the rule states that before he completes his action, if he can effect the run out and the batsman, the non-striker is out of the crease, that according to the rules of the laws of the game is out.
Well, drama unfolding, unbelievable. This is the beauty of the game. Springs up
They couldn't have asked for a better
strange
fight than this.
incidences.
Chennai Rhinos versus Karnataka Bulldozers.
It's been monkered, but as far as I'm concerned, the ball hasn't been bowled, Saba. The ball hasn't been bowled. So they will have to bowl that one delivery. It's not counted as a ball, isn't it?
So two is still needed from one delivery. And because he effected the run out before he delivered the ball, logically one ball is yet to be bowled. Oh God, I want the match referee here. He's been a far better position to answer all this.
Amazingly, how did Vikranth think about this? Because none of us were thinking. Well, it was terrific.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Presence of
Harvard
mind.
2020 Cookies presents Celebrity Cricket League. In association with County Cement. Music inspired by nature and
Yeah, but the question is, why is the batsman still there?
We couldn't have asked for better finals than this.
So two still needed from the last delivery. See, Karthik is still there.
The men in yellow are all set to put this
The
one
new man
once again.
have to come in.
And blue turned out and won the result. One ball remaining, 2 runs to get. Who will win? What will happen? We will never know. This could be anyone's game.
It can make up to a perfect movie, isn't it, Saba? Karthik, he has to unfortunately go back to the pavilion. It's 160 for 5.
So the new man is Tarun,
All
who
right,
has
the fielders
come
are
out to
taking their
replace
position.
Karthik, who was run out by Vikranth.
And so on the umpires.
But that's good, Saba, for Bulldozers.
2
Karthik
runs needed. 1 ball to go.
was there out there in the middle for a long time. Would have had this is fresh legs now for Bulldozers. They can run 2 years. They miss it, and that's run out. Has he given it? He's going upstairs.
Now the wait for the
So
third
there is
prize
still
station.
confusion whether it's out or not out. But the Chennai Rhinos, they know that they have clinched this title.
They're cock-a-hoop, they're rejoicing, they're celebrating. The fans have rushed into the ground to hug all these players. The decision still is pending. The wicketkeeper had to run to the stumps to effect that run out. We'll wait for the replay. What drama. What a cliffhanger. 160 for 6. They needed 2 to win from the last delivery, and now this is what happened. Rahul was on strike. This is a legal delivery. Take that forward. It doesn't matter now. Oh yes. Oh yes. Ramanna has affected that run out, and what a time to do that. Pinpoint accuracy. It is Tarun, the new man, who was trying to get into that topping crease at the striker's end, has been run out by the wicketkeeper Ramanna. And now the whole stadium will erupt. The fans will erupt. There it is. Out. So Chennai Rhinos, they have clinched this title once again. They were defending champs. They have come out in a much stronger mood, and they have claimed this title once again. They have beaten the Bulldozers by 1 run. Now this is what happened. The winning moment for the Rhinos.
Unbelievable. Well, they're cool under pressure. Vikranth hold this last delivery. Such an important delivery. The keeper Ramanna doing his best, and he makes sure that he clipped those bails off just before the dive from Arya. Well, Chennai Rhinos, they have retained their title. The tears of joy, tears of happiness all around. That's what it matters to them. CCL 2012, the second edition, is again